Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 1. In today's lesson, we're going to be multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. And so this here is my standard place value chart that you'll see on your homework. And although the places aren't labeled, this would be the ones place, this would be the tens place, this would be the hundreds place, and this would be the thousands place. And to the right of the decimal point, I have the tenths place, and the hundredths place, and the thousandths place. Right in the middle, I have my decimal point here. So every time I move to the left, I get 10 times larger. Every time I move to the right, I get 10 times smaller. So for my first problem, I have 4 and 81 hundredths times 10. And I'm going to start by just writing that on my place value chart. Decimal place stays put. And if I want to make this number 10 times larger, I just need to move each digit to the left one place. 10 times more than 4 ones is 4 tens. 10 times more than 8 tenths is 8 wholes. And 10 times more than 1/100th is 1/10. Decimal place stays put. I get an answer of 48 and 1/10. Now it appears that I just moved my decimal point to the right one place by making it 10 times bigger, but actually the decimal place stayed put. My digits moved to the left. For this next problem, I'm multiplying 1 and 48 hundredths times 1,000. So again, I'm going to start out by writing my original number on my place value chart. Decimal stays put. If I want to make my number 1,000 times larger, I need to move that 1 10, 100, 1,000 times larger. That's 3 places to the left. I'm going to make this 10 times larger, 100 times, 1,000 times larger. 10, 100, 1,000 times larger. My decimal point stays put. Now that 8 you can see is in the tens place. And so to hold that, I need to add a 0 to the ones place. Otherwise it becomes 148, which would be incorrect. So my answer is 1,480. And that's where the decimal point would be. Again, it looks like the decimal place moved to the right 3 places. But actually the digits moved to the left. Next we'll divide, and it's the same idea. I'm moving my digits to make it powers of 10 smaller this time. So I have 4 and 8 tenths divided by 100. So I'm going to write that right on my place value chart. 4 and 8 tenths, decimal place is right there. And this time I'm dividing by 100, so I need to make them 100 times smaller. So my 8 is going to get 10, 100 times smaller. That's 2 places to the right. 10, 100 times smaller. That's 2 places to the right. Decimal point stays put. To hold my places, I need to put a 0 in the tenths place. And so my answer is 0 and 48 thousandths. Again, it looks, and some people teach that you're moving the decimal to the left 2 places here, but we're actually keeping that decimal in one place and moving my digits to the right. And that's it for today's lesson.